Coronavirus coverage, the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention now agree we are nearing the end of the COVID-19 pandemic as numbers continue to decline.
Just a little bit of good news around here. President Joe Biden now focusing on getting more resources into pharmacies and other community health centers. Our Anam Siddiqui explains how well this new plan will work right here in Louisiana. Hey, Anam.
Hey, Renee and Jacob. President Biden's main goal is to create a one-stop shop at pharmacies for COVID-19 treatment. But some Baton Rouge doctors tell me that's nearly impossible. They say the state has limited resources. The White House plans to launch a new Test to Treat initiative to provide individuals access to testing and treatment for free in one stop. You can soon get tested and treated with antiviral pills in the same location.
So we really want to expand the effectiveness of the use of these treatments and also making it as easy as possible for the American people.
Dr. Ronald Andrews says the state was promised more antiviral pills, but he has yet to see the shipment. On top of that, the State Department of Health is limiting which pharmacies can hand out the pill.
Of the few selections we had were for the most part limited to Baton Rouge, but then yes, there may have been one in Ascension Parish, and one maybe, in North Baton Rouge, but not much beyond that.
Munoz says steps are now being taken to fill in those gaps.
And we worked very closely with the company to accelerate their production timelines. And they've actually moved up their timeline. We were initially around 500,000 for the month of March coming in. We're at 1 million.
Dr. Byron Jasper says while he appreciates the White House efforts, there is a lack of focus on primary care offices. Jasper argues fast visits like pharmacies or urgent care can cause more problems in the long run.
What happens is a lot of times things can get missed when you're in a rush. Things can get missed when you're overloaded or overworked.
Munoz says Test to Treat is the best option since the antiviral pills need to be taken within 5 days of the onset symptoms. Dr. Andrews says as of right now, Test to Treat is unrealistic.
I do think it's a good idea if it could actually be implemented the way that is planned.
Test to Treat is launching this month. In the coming weeks, you will be able to track online which pharmacies are participating. And the White House is also asking Congress for an additional $22 million for COVID-19 funding. Anam Siddiqui, NBC Local 33 News.
All right. Thank you, Anam, for that tonight.